It's actually pretty amazing. You want to know your score and you want this to count. That's what it says. Yeah, I just sat here for 3.5 hours. Yeah, I want to know my score and I want it to count. Well,
I'd put him down.
so, can I win another?
Colin. Colin, look. Look up.
I flipped. Whoa! Whoa! Might be yellow.
We just throw it.
Yeah.
Are you stuck?
Yeah.
You want free? No. That your work.
Okay.
You guys messing with Clint's car?
Yay. Why you too slow?
But you didn't finish his car. You're putting more snow into the room. Matthew, you guys didn't finish the car. Okay, I got a good idea. Let me you for a couple minutes and stop.
Which is why. Liz, I want to come tackle you so bad right now. My childhood instinct just really set in. Yo, Andy, where's Garrett?
Okay?
5 minutes just about.
If you want to take a branch off, take one of the big ones off, Alyssa. Chris might even pay you for it.
We got some of them done. You see that? Yeah. At least my letters did that. I am 100% though when I see those ribbons again.
Hold on. Good. Thank you.